Ever wondered what space sounds like? It's not just empty silence up there. It's a wild concert of plasma waves, magnetic fields, and cosmic vibrations. From Jupiter's whistles to black hole bass drops, space is dropping the hottest beats around. Let's talk about the wildest band in the universe, the cosmic orchestra. When charged particles from the sun crash into magnetic fields, they create these amazing plasma waves. Think of it like throwing a rock into a pond, but instead of ripples in water, you get waves of energy dancing through space. These waves actually vibrate at frequencies we can convert into sound. NASA's spacecraft have picked up everything from the eerie whistles of Earth's magnetosphere to the deep rumble of Saturn's rings. It's like nature's own synthesizer, mixing solar wind, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays into an otherworldly symphony. The best part? Each planet has its own unique sound signature, kind of like their personal mixtape in space. Jupiter isn't just the biggest planet, it's also the loudest DJ in our solar system. Its massive magnetic field is like a giant speaker, cranking out some seriously spooky space tunes. When solar wind hits Jupiter's magnetic field, it creates these wild whistling sounds that would make any ghost jealous. The planet's intense radiation belts act like cosmic turntables, spinning charged particles at incredible speeds. These particles bounce between Jupiter's poles, creating what scientists call chorus waves. They literally sound like alien birds chirping in space. And when Jupiter's moon Io throws volcanic material into the mix, it's like adding a cosmic bass drop to this interplanetary concert. Let's zoom in on our local star. The sun's putting on a non-stop show that would make any EDM festival jealous. Every second, it blasts out millions of tons of particles in the solar wind, creating the universe's longest-running concert tour. These particles zoom through space at 1,000,000 miles per hour, carrying their own magnetic fields like invisible guitar strings. When they hit different objects in our solar system, they create unique sounds, from the high-pitched screech of Mercury getting scorched to the low hum of comets losing their tails. It's basically a cosmic wind instrument that stretches across billions of miles. Ready to meet the universe's most reliable timekeepers. Pulsars are like cosmic lighthouses on steroids, spinning neutron stars that blast beams of radiation with mind-blowing precision. These stellar stopwatches spin hundreds of times per second, creating radio pulses so regular you could set your watch to them. No joke, they're more accurate than your smartphone's clock. Imagine taking a star twice as heavy as our sun, crushing it down to the size of a city, and spinning it faster than your kitchen blender. That's a pulsar for you. These space disco balls are so consistent that astronomers use them to hunt for gravitational waves and even help spacecraft navigate the solar system. Okay, get ready for the heaviest bass drop in existence, literally. Black holes are the ultimate subwoofers of space, pumping out notes 57 octaves below middle C. That's way deeper than any sound we can hear. When these cosmic giants swallow gas and stars, they send out massive ripples in space-time that we can convert into sound waves. Back in 2003, astronomers found a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, belting out a B-flat so low it would shake your entire planet if you could hear it. It's like having a speaker the size of 100 million suns. And here's the wild part. These space beats have been dropping non-stop for over 2 billion years. Talk about an epic party. Saturn's rings aren't just a cosmic light show, they're nature's grandest wind chimes. These icy particles, ranging from tiny dust specks to house-sized chunks, crash and bump into each other like billions of tiny cymbals. When Cassini flew by Saturn, it picked up these incredible oscillations, waves of energy that we can transform into sound. The rings vibrate at different frequencies depending on their thickness and composition, creating what scientists call ring music. The C ring sounds like a cosmic whisper, while the dense B ring produces deeper, more resonant tones. It's like Saturn's wearing a massive vinyl record that's constantly playing its own space symphony. Think your music setup has good vibrations. Stars are the ultimate sound machines. Our sun and other stars are basically cosmic bells, ringing with sound waves that bounce around inside them. These stellar vibrations are caused by hot gas bubbling up and cooling down. Imagine a giant pot of cosmic soup on the stove. Scientists call this asteroseismology, but I like to think of it as stellar karaoke. By studying these space songs, we can peek inside stars and figure out their age, size, and what they're made of. The coolest part? Each star has its own unique voice, from deep bass rumbles to high-pitched squeals. Our Sun, it's humming along at frequencies too low for human ears, but if you could hear it, it'd sound like a massive Om chant in space. Want to hear what a whole galaxy cluster sounds like? Astronomers have found a way to turn the dance of thousands of galaxies into actual sound. They take the movement and light from these massive space cities and transform them into audio we can hear. It's like each galaxy is a singer in the universe's biggest choir. The fast-moving ones hit the high notes, while the slow drifters bring the bass. When you mix in the X-rays from hot gas between galaxies, you get this incredible cosmic symphony. The Virgo cluster, total soprano, the Perseus cluster, more of a baritone. It's mind-blowing to think we're listening to the actual motion of billions of stars. Our planet is rocking its own space soundtrack right in our cosmic backyard. Earth's magnetic field catches solar wind particles and turns them into the coolest natural radio station you've never heard. These particles surf along magnetic field lines, creating what scientists call chorus waves. They sound exactly like birds chirping at dawn, but in space. When solar storms hit our magnetosphere, they kick up these amazing whistling noises called whistlers. It's like Earth has its own built-in synthesizer, mixing up electromagnetic waves into this wild, spacey melody. The auroras, they're not just pretty lights, they're actually jamming out with their own ultrasonic beats. Ever wondered how scientists turn space data into actual songs? It's way cooler than your average remix. They use a technique called sonification, basically turning numbers and waves into music your ears can understand. Think of it like cosmic translation software. Radio waves become whistles, X-rays transform into drum beats, and gamma rays turn into high-pitched pings. Scientists can speed up super-slow space vibrations millions of times, or slow down lightning-fast pulsar beats so we can actually hear them. They've even created entire albums from star data. My favorite? The sound of two black holes colliding. It's literally the universe's most epic crescendo. Thanks for joining our cosmic concert tour through space. If you enjoyed this sonic journey, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing space science. Share this video with your friends. They won't believe their ears. See you in the next episode.